Hey everyone, today we're touring a deluxe studio villa at Disney's Copper Creek Villas, found at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Coming through the hallway of your deluxe studio villa, the kitchenette will be found on one side, featuring a full-size microwave, coffee pot, mini chiller or fridge area, sink, and of course several cabinets for your various food items that you brought along. Your closet will have some storage, a small safe for some valuables, extra pillow and blankets, and a few hangers for some extra special items you may have brought along the way. The opposite side of your hallway will feature a sliding barn-style door that separates your hallway from your vanity, and that full-size mirror really comes in handy for some last looks before going out to the parks. The vanity portion of your bathroom has a single sink, several towel holders, a light-up cosmetics mirror, and a full-size hairdryer there within the cabinets underneath. A pocket door separates your bathroom portion here, so this particular villa had a walk-in shower tub combo along with your toilet. And we get a really nice look at this artwork that helps tie in the theming that you saw in the main lobby check-in area into your room. This villa does have two shower heads for some extra added comforts, and the clothesline pulls all the way over to the opposite side to hold your soaking wet items coming back from the pool and splash pad area. Then coming out of the bathroom, we will come into your main living space, and this ottoman to my right is where we were able to store our smaller items and shoes just to keep them up and out of the way. Your studio setup consists of a set of drawers, table and chair combo, ottoman that lifts up there at the top for extra storage, queen size bed, full size pull out couch bed, double nightstands, and each of those lights above those nightstands have independent switches to them. Makes little things a little easier whenever you're trying to go to bed at night and plan your next day. This is also a platform bed, so there's some extra storage underneath for those larger items, and each of those nightstands independently has US outlets along with a couple of USB outlet charging ports. There's also one right above that table and a couple underneath the TV, and check out these gorgeous handles that really help tie in this national parks, wilderness, frontier type theming to your room and throughout the rest of your stay. For more information on this or other destinations, contact your favorite Treadway Travel Company agent today.